Think your high-paying tech career is safe? You're being liquidated. In January 2026 alone, Amazon deleted 16,000 corporate jobs, bringing the total massacre to 30,000 employees in just 4 months. This isn't a company in trouble. Amazon's stock price hit an all-time high the same week they sent those termination emails. The pattern is crystal clear. While 16,000 families scrambled to pay mortgages, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy pocketed $40 million in 2024 compensation. That's $2,500 for every person he fired. Still think this is about market conditions? Here's the cold math. In 2025, the global tech sector eliminated 245,000 jobs. Intel led the slaughter with 34,000 cuts, 15% of their entire workforce. Meta axed 1,500 workers from Reality Labs in January alone. UPS announced 30,000 operational job cuts for this year. Across the board, more than 60,000 positions vanished in the first month of 2026. That's not a correction. That's a purge. But the stock market didn't mourn. It celebrated. When Intel announced plans to save $10 billion by firing thousands in a single quarter, investors threw a party. The message is clear. Your career isn't an asset to these companies anymore. You're a liability on a spreadsheet, and the accountants just figured out how to delete you. Here's the bombshell they won't say in the earnings call. AI isn't coming for your job in 5 years. It already replaced you. Surveys from late 2025 reveal that 32% of major tech firms are actively cutting headcount specifically because of AI automation. Amazon is using generative AI to eliminate roles in HR, software development, and middle management. The bot doesn't need health insurance. It doesn't take vacation, and it costs 1% of your salary. But it gets worse. While they fire you in Seattle or Austin, Amazon is silently moving 30,000 roles offshore to India and Eastern Europe. Your job didn't vanish. Your American paycheck became too expensive. They slashed labor costs by 70% by replacing you with someone in Bangalore who does the same work for a fraction of the price. You're not competing with the person in the next cubicle anymore. You're competing with a global labor pool and an algorithm that never sleeps. Connect the dots. This wave isn't just about efficiency. It's about creating terror. Terror makes you obedient. It makes you accept lower wages, stripped benefits, and the death of job security. We've moved from an ownership economy to a subscription hell. You don't own your software. You don't own your home. And now you don't even own your income. You're a monthly rental for big tech, and they just decided not to renew the lease. The elites have a term for this. They call it reducing bureaucracy and flattening management layers. Translation: we're keeping the profits and deleting the people. Amazon is pouring $35 billion per quarter into AI infrastructure while simultaneously cutting the humans who built the company. The trade is deliberate. Your salary funds the machine that replaces you. While Andy Jassy earned $40 million last year, the median Amazon employee made $37,000. That's a pay ratio of over 1,000 to 1 when you include his stock compensation. He's not just richer than you, he's richer because of you. Every terminated employee is another few million saved to pad executive bonuses and satisfy Wall Street's hunger for operational efficiency. So what's your move in a system designed to liquidate you? Stop waiting for the government or the unions to save you. They won't. The old playbook is dead. The only safe job is the one you own. You need skills that can't be offshored, leverage that isn't tied to a corporate badge, and an exit from the permission economy. Whether it's building proprietary systems, mastering irreplaceable trades, or creating independent income streams. The goal is the same: own the means or get owned by the machine. If you have seen the impacted role email, you're not alone. You're being systematically targeted. We're tracking every move, every layoff wave, every quiet restructuring before it hits the headlines. Subscribe to see the next purge before your screen goes black. Drop a comment. How many people did your company cut this year? Let's expose the pattern they're trying to hide. The system won't explain itself until it's too late. And by then, your job will already be a line item in someone else's cost savings report.